Hello everyone, let me introduce our team. My name is Fajar and my teammates Kevin, Aldi, Salsa, Elin, Zuhal, and Dio. Our supervisor for this project is Dr. Rauza Sukmarita PhD. I want to present to you our research about Syzygium, Syzygium cumini bed balm with antibacteria and vitamin E for skin fragrance and anti-aging for better bed experience. The idea of this research is to making soap balm with addition antibacterial properties from Syzygium cumini leaves that can be used to clean our skin. Skin diseases are caused by a bad personal hygiene, which can lead to self-infection and other disease. This invention is to give the solution how to make our skin clean and healthy with antibacterial content from Syzygium cumini leaves and vitamin E to rejuvenate our skin. In this research, in silico and in vitro studies were used to obtain antibacterial activity. Bioactive compounds in the jamblang leaves was determined by GCMS analysis. There were 3 tests carried out in the in silico study: prediction of biological activity using PASS web server, bioavailability prediction based on Lipinski rule using SGF bio web server, and toxicity prediction using PKCSM web server. In vitro study was used minimum inhibitory concentration or MIC method to obtain the minimum concentration for inhibiting bacterial growth. Based in silico study, 2 compounds have antibacterial activity. The results show that the compounds 9-Z-octadeconic acid and 1,2-benzene-dicarboxylic acid contained in jamblang leaves have the potential as antibacterials. From the in vitro study, we found that jamblang leaves extract is able to inhibit the growth of Staphylococcus aureus and Pseudomonas aeruginosa bacteria at concentration of 256 microgram per milliliter to 1024 microgram per milliliter. This research indicates clear evidence that jamblang leaves extract has antibacterial activity toward a growth inhibition mechanism. Further research needs to be done on the extent of formulation, dosage, and market potential so that natural products can be a solution to health problems and their indirect impact for any other sectors. That's all from me. Thank you and have a nice day.